Hello there. It's March 27, 2024. Um, but it's gonna be Thursday in a few minutes. Really around 16 minutes before midnight of March 27. Soon it will be March 28th, Thursday, still part of Holy Week. So how are you wherever you are in the world? How are you doing? It's been quite rainy here. It's also a bit sunny at the same time. So it's rain or shine. Let's fix our power supply. Yeah, that works now. This is a live stream, and we'll be talking about Holy Week 2024, particularly some travel reminders and something about Agimat culture, which is part of Philippine Holy Week or Quaresma tradition for some. A lot of people delve into this topic. A lot of academics, researchers also delve into this topic. So are you also interested when it comes to Agimat culture during Holy Week? So let's talk about it, and perhaps you could comment and I could show you some of my Agimat collection as an academic. Well, part and parcel of summer is camping. So we'll talk about camping tools, particularly this new item, a headlamp. It's actually a set of headlamps that I ordered. So apart from that, we'll also be sharing some poetry, Holy Week poetry, written in Filipino. I hope you like it. It have our travel ID, channel ID.
At nagkakaroon na naman ng pagtaas ng COVID-19 cases dito sa Pilipinas. Subalit ayon sa gobyerno, wala raw
Dahil ang pagsuyo ko ay multong haplos. Huli na akong lumampi ng libong taon. Papailing ning paggamit ning folk beliefs related to the Christmas.
Nunglo or the kinabayo could very well be an articulation of this folk.
Then we go farther forward and we'll go to the false shield. At saka ito syempre ang ating sword. Kasi naman ano po kung talagang may sword po dito.
Are you ready? No? Are you ready for the Holy Week? Let's buckle up for Semana Santa 2024. But let's talk about some precautions. First, some travel precautions. Have you been watching the news? Left and right, accidents are happening all over the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Just a few hours ago, I came across a news item of vehicular accident at Palestina, Pili, Camarines Sur. So this is apart from the other news items in other part of the Philippines, particularly in Mindanao, where around 17 people perished during a vehicular accident wherein a dump truck collided with a van, a passenger van, killing 17 people, including two children. condolences to the family of those who perished in this particular accident. So it's basically to actually be safe. Uh, right now, here at Hagbayon, the recently uploaded content pertains to pendants, some beach combing yields, as well as some collectibles, some stones and what do you call this? Some crystals, no? Crystals, collectible crystals. So if you have time, you might wanna check that particular content here in this small channel called Hagbayon. Also, let's have something about Semana Santa problems. Let's remind ourselves of blow baguettes before we travel. So blow baguettes, most of, most of you who actually have driving license must have attended driving school seminars from LTO and from some private accredited driving schools, and you know very well what the blow baguettes actually stands for. It stands for batteries for B, and lights for L, oil for O, water for W, brakes for B, accessories for A, gas or gasoline for G, electronics for E, tire, uh, and self, tires and self. Of course, the batteries. We need to check the batteries so that we'll be sure that the vehicle will be working well, that it will start, that the lights will work. Of course, the lights. We check the electronics and the lights. Uh, if they are working, the headlamp and what the um signal lights and brake lights, other lights. We walk around the vehicle and check. Okay, we walk around the vehicle and check before we go. What else? Of course, the oil. We might need to change oil. Okay, so that the engine won't be so strained if we use fresh oil and or fresh machine oil. I mean, also water for most motorcycles. The motorcycles are air cooled. However, for vehicles, we might need to bring water to actually make sure that the vehicle properly hydrated. It won't It won't overheat. What else? The gasoline or the gas, unleaded gas, diesel, whatever. Make sure you are fully loaded with full tank and all that. So you won't have any problems anymore. You might you might get drained of gas and you might find yourself in a difficult situation and in a secluded place. So also that, and the electronics of your car. Okay, double check the electronics. Um, make sure that when you wash your car, you don't wash the electronics as well inside at the dashboard. And also the tires. The tires are at par. The tires are still with spikes. You know, you might change tires. Better be safe than sorry for maximum, control and braking power. Hey, what else? Also, check of course you have to check yourselves. You have to check yourselves. Are you ready to drive? Are you feeling okay? Are you not sick? Did you get enough sleep? Ask yourselves those questions. Have you taken alcohol? There. Um, don't forget also the ORCR and your driver's license. And it's better if you have another driver with you, a subscriber, so that when you're tired and you are sleepy, the substitute will take over. Holy Week travel. So where are you planning to go? Are you planning to go to the province or elsewhere for a vacation, for a meditative vacation, prayer camp, something like that? Whatever religion you may have. This is a nice opportunity to get away from work and to get away from the city and contemplate about the world and about life in general. So there, by the way, this is Hagbayon Channel. Okay, Hagbayon Channel is as per ID, a channel devoted to the outdoors, uh, prepping survivalism, blades culture, current events, etc. Okay, there. We're following through 2024 travel reminders. It's nice to go live at this hour. It's quiet, and later this will be uploaded. It will become a regular video. All right, Agimat hunting. All right, part of culture, Philippine culture. Some people here in the Philippines actually believe in talismans, charms, and agimats, and they they view Holy Week as right opportunity to go agimat hunting. Some people go to Mount Isarog here in Bicol or in different mountains and forests. Some people would also go to uh, Mount Banahaw, Mount Banahaw. So where do you go usually? Where do you go usually? And speaking of agimat hunting, I also like to hike and I also like to collect things whenever I hike. Uh, only as far as the scholar in me, would find it amusing. So I would also try to collect all these curious items. Maybe we could talk about them again. I've shared some before in a previous video. I think it was 2 years ago, but maybe we'll talk about them. Some stuff that I have. Something like this. I keep here. For example, this one I got this from Northern. Yeah, not really an agimat. I don't. Just you know, just kind of a costume for outdoors people, Filipino martial arts people. You could actually wear this when there's a Filipino martial arts event. Okay. Oh, this one is also made of wild boar tooth or fang. Nice. Add more, can add more. This one too. Maybe you can wear this now. I don't know if it will work right. Let's check it out. Yeah, I don't think you can see it. Mhm. Good job. Mess with my microphone though. There. Nice. Mm, some stuff that I collect from my friends, especially IPs. This one. These are really big. They may not be so wearable because of the size. So you might want to just wear this during what special occasions. Let's check more. When you say agimat, it's usually an item that you find in nature, a charm or a talisman that you find in nature. There. Nice. I've not been checking my stuff for a while. So this is actually a nice opportunity as well for me to check. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Some just featured this a while ago. Nice. This one too is shark tooth. I hope you can appreciate, you can see it clearly. Like this one. This one's really nice as well. Look at it. Shark tooth. I just don't know if it's wearable. It's too sharp. Alright, let's put them inside the plastic bag again. Just keep them here and them during some special occasion perhaps. So, wait, check some more. This I featured this earlier. It's actually uploaded now. These are actually the stones, and this came from Jojo Villarreal. Mhm. Yeah. Crystals. They are a bit cloud. According to Jaime Licauco, there's something about crystals here in the Philippines because they are quite cloudy for some reason. Those who are experts in crystals, could you confirm? I mean, given to me by Jojo Villarreal. I don't know where he found all these things. Maybe during his hiking trips. This crystal is really nice, like a kryptonite. Again, I featured this earlier. It's already uploaded in this channel. This one too. Yeah, amazing. Quite cloudy, quite blurred. Not really so transparent, but it's okay. Mm, Could be from meteors. Thing is, I don't have a magnet. Nice. This one's really, really round. So a lot of people also feature their channels in various articles. So comment down below if you are privy to these items. Mhm. Well, these are sea glass. I won't open the plastic bag anymore. I might just mess up the contents. I usually walk around the beach, trying to beach comb when I have time, and I collect these things. They're really nice. I uh, I also have marbles, sea marbles. You can make a mosaic out of this. Soon I'll make one. What else? What else? Oh, some curious items. Yeah, I still haven't made them into pendants until now. Some materials that I still have. Yeah. Oh, this one. I featured this earlier. Wild boar pendants. Really cute. Look at it. Hmm. Stuff here. Um, some coins. I also collect coins. I cannot show you everything. Um, yeah, something like this one. Some old coins. Some collectible coins. Like 10 pesos. General Luna. General coin. Yeah, more of this piso. Came from my grandmother. Yeah, some stuff. There's so many stuff here, but I cannot really show them all to you. Mhm. Let's figure. Uh, this one I found just today. You come here. This bearing, I think. I found it while walking. This one I've had this for a long time. Bought this in Baguio. Anyways, let's keep it. More. And this one is a relic actually. It's a World War II relic. This is actually a slug. a machine gun slug. It's broken. I found this usually at Mount Isorog. Mm, yeah, let's figure out what we can share. Oh, some more of this stuff. Sea glass, sea glass. So uh, this one's from Giovanni Buen. Gift from Giovanni Buen for my son. So shout out to Giovanni Buen. Really nice. Hmm. Oh, more of the charms that I find when I beachcombed. Again, some people would really go out of their way and go to the forest for some charms, especially during Holy Week or Good Friday, particularly. This one's big. Really, really peculiar. So I like collecting them when I visit the beach. So there, I have lots now. I promised some of my friends that I will give them some. Just wait for it. Wait for me. Bear with me. Oh, this one's slingshot. One's I really like. Given to be my friend, by a friend. Maybe I'll work on this soon. It's like so tactical. Tactical slingshot. Tails. This one I've shown it before. Yeah, that's it for the moment. That's it. There are some people, some who like, people who are into alternative healing. They go to the forest for herbs, I mean, sorry, to look for herbs and things that could augment their materials for healing purposes. Um, you cannot discount the fact that some herbs really work, they're wonders as medicine as well. Um, I think we better unpack the headlamp. But first, let me get my tools. Oh, they are not here. Wait, let me figure. Yup. Do you like my background? It's green and you can make animation. I just ordered more headlamps for outdoors purposes. You can use in the farm. My flashlight. Item actually is from Laguna. Yes. Laguna Techno Park. Check it out. Are very important when you are outdoors, particularly at the farm. Very important. Reads LED highlight USB headlight. Let's open one. Oh, I still have to attach the cord, the band. Anyway, try it. Try this thing. Yeah, it works. Yeah, nice. Oh man, it's bright. Nice. It's buy one get three, I guess. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 of this. Wonderful. You can recharge this using the USB. Let's get the others. I have 3 more. Same stuff. This product's made of ABS plastic, wear resistant and non-slip. Nice. Really shiny. Again, to attach the band. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lights. Flickers. Off. And the center light. Okay, the peripheral lights. Oh, it's so bright. Flickers. Nice. I hope this will last. Got around 1, 2, 3. We have 6. Giving some to our people at the farm. You guys use it. Regards to or shout out to Bernard Quinones. Bernard also advocate bringing flashlights. Actually, everywhere. Flashlights everywhere. Central lights, peripheral lights only, all of the lights, and recurring lights. Yeah, nice. We have one more. We're all working so far. I forgot to wear my mic. I forgot to wear my mic. So another one. Let's check it out. Well, it works. The central light works. Peripheral lights. All of the lights. Let's see if it will flicker. complete with the charger and the band. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Yeah, we have 6 of this, if not 7. So, so thank you. Thank you to the seller. I'll just have some poems, something about culture, language. Years ago, gusali ng isip. Well, let's check it out. Got published at Liwayway magazine. It's one of my Holy Week poems. So let's relax and let's slow down before we go and meditate on this poem. I wrote this during our silent retreat at Betania, Baguio. Gusali ng isip. Nagtayo ng isang gusali. Nayari sa lupa't tigas ng pusali. Naubos ang bato sa daigdig. Maabot lang nito ang tayog ng langit. Sa sariling bigat ito ay nawasak. Sa sariling lupa ito bumagsak. Ang lupang nilalang muling nalinlang. Ng dunong ng putik at ng santinakpan. Wari nakalimot na isip akod. Itong kaluluwang may harding mahamog. Kung saan ang langit ay iyong ginto. Matatawag lamang ng tikom na gusali ng isip. I also wrote another poem during that silent retreat. It's called Damascus. It's also let's figure out. Let's say it also got printed at UIY, so let's check it out. There. I wrote it on May 23, 2016. Yeah. Damascus. Anong liwanag ba ang dumapo sa iyo? Aming komandanteng tuwid na Ginoo. Nang dalhin ng hangi mahiwagang tinig. Ikaw ay nabulag at wari natulid. At tayo'y lumihis sa dapat na landas. Sa atas na dakpin ang kanyang alagad. Sa ay tayo'y dagling kinatagpo ng isang Ginoo na kanya ring sugo. Kinausap kanya ay dinampi. Sa iyong paninging balisa ang ngiti. Hindi nga naglaon, puno kang nag-apoy at tayo'y umanib sa kanyang pulutong. Damascus. Base it on a Bible verse, Damascus. Right, Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel and TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with the sword. Thanks for watching.